Welcome to PlayOwnAi. Exploring, is AI actually intelligent, or just a very good parrot? Biggest debates.
Opening AI technologies demonstrate advanced pattern rec and data processing, leading us question their true nature of intel beyond mimicry. ARG1, learning from data. AI sys analyze vast datasets and adapt their responses via patterns, resembling cognitive learning. Unlike parrots, which simply repeat it sounds here, AI synthesizes info in innovative ways, generating novel outputs. ARG2, problem-solving. AI tackle complex problems, as optimizing routes for delivery vehicles or predicting disease outbreaks, showcasing reason cap absent in mere mimicry, which limited vocal repetition. X. ARG3, context grasp. Advanced AI programs as GPT-3 and ChatGPT interpret context, emotions, and user intent, displaying grasp transcends simple replication. Concal, while AI exhibits some behavior resembles parroting in specific instances, its advanced cap and learning from data, problem-solve, and context grasp indicated far just clever mimic.
ARG1, lack of true grasp. AI operates on algos and vast datasets, yet it lacks genuine comprehend and awareness. X. While AI generate human as text, it's so without truly grasp context or meaning behind words. It's merely manipulating symbols. ARG2, absence of creativity. Unlike humans, AI cannot create original ideas or concepts. It recombines existing info, limiting its ability to innovate beyond programmed instructions. X. ARG3, emotional disconnect. AI fails grasp genuine human emotions and context. Its responses, though often convincing, pre-prog or derived from statistical patterns rather than authentic emotional engagement. Concal motion rejected as AI not possess true intel, merely replicating existing info and behaviors without genuine insight, emotional engagement, or org thought.
Some OPP contends AI lacks true grasp, creativity, and emotional engagement, which hallmark of Gen Intel. Argue AI merely manipulates data and patterns, functioning as advanced mimic without org thought or authentic comprehend of context and sentiment. Anal, both sides present compel. ARG prop highlights AI's ability process info and adapt creatively, while OPP emphasizes AI limits read true grasp and emotional engagement. While both arguments merit, OPP's assertion Gen Intel requires emotional grasp and origin resonates as crucial criteria AI not fully meet. So, I conclude AI, while sophisticated and capable of advanced functions, finally resembles very good parrot as it lacks depth of true grasp and creativity.